Hello student, now I will discuss some of the math number 8. So look at the figure given below and state whether for each triangle where it is acute, right, obtuse. So you know the property, look at first one, this one 130 degree. So this angle is obtuse angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle because one angle is greater than 90 degree and other two angle is acute. Other two angle is less than 90 degree. So this is the property. Next one, this is what is given 60 and 60, all 60. So very popular triangle this one. So all angle are 60 degree. So this is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all side equal, all side equal and all angle equal. All angles are equal to 180 degree by 3 equal to 60 degree. So you know it. Next, this is 90 degree. In this way it is given. This is 90. So name given RQP. So RQP, this is right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. What is the property? One angle must be 90 degree and RP is called hypotenuse. RQ and QP is called legs. So these are the property of right angle triangle. Next one I will draw for you, for all the students. Look at this is come more than 90 degrees, so 92. So XYZ given name. So angle Y is more than 90 degree. That means obtuse angle this one. Obtuse angle are a triangle whose one angle is greater than 90 and other two angles is less than 90 degree. It is called obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. So this is the features. So you must have the idea, I think, now. Next, I will do math number 9. So there are many triangles are given. According to side, you can say what type of triangles are they. 2.3 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter. So this is called isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Two side equal. Base angle also equal. Base here, this one base, so these two angles, B and C, this one A, this side equal to this side. So next one, so 4.2 centimeter, this one also 2.4 centimeter, this one 2.4 centimeter, 2.4, 2.4, so it is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, same triangle. Next one, this is 2.7, this one 2.5 centimeter, and this one 2.6. So this is called scalene triangle. SCALENE, scalene triangle. All sides unequal. All sides have unequal length. Unequal length. So this is the math. Student, do it one by one. Very easy math. All. Next one, three side equal. Yeah, this one 3, 3, 3. All are 3. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. This one 3 centimeter. So this is called equilateral triangle. Equilateral. Equilateral triangle. All sides equal. All sides equal. All angles equal. All angles equal. So this is the property. Next ones are very easy. You have the idea, I think now. This is 60, 60, 60. All angles are 60 degrees. This is 60. This is also 60. This is 60. So this triangle is called equilateral. Equilateral triangle. So next one. This is called 70, 55. 70, 55, 55. 55 this one 55. So base angle here, base angle is equal. Base angles equal to 55 degree. So it is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. This side equal to this side. So next one, I will draw this triangle. This is called 60, 50, 70. 60 degree, this one 50 degree, this one 70 degree. So all angles here acute. All angles are acute. Less than 90 degrees. Sorry, less than 90 degrees. So this is called acute angle triangle. Acute angled triangle. So this is the property. All very easy math. Do it. Next one, math number 10. There is a triangle given, and in the middle there is a median. This is called the median also, and divide into two equal halves. Divide the triangle into two equal halves. How many triangles do you get? Name them. Name the triangles. Name the triangles. So first triangle ABC, bigger triangles. Then triangle ABD. Then triangle ACD. So three triangles, this one two, and bigger triangle ABC. So next one, can a triangle have two right angle? Two right angle is not possible because some never come 180 degree. Because look at, I'll draw a triangle and this one 90 also, this one you tell me 90. So angle A plus B, look at here, come 90 plus 90. So 180 come. So what is the value of C? So question come in this way. So it cannot be possible. So in this way you explain it and tell me. Express in the exam. Next one, two obtuse angle. If we get two obtuse angle, then some come more than 180 degree. More than 180 degree. So it is not possible. Suppose this angle. You tell me this one is 100 degree. Suppose this one is 110 degree. So add it. Angle A, B, C, write it. Angle A plus angle B come more than 180 degree, I think. 210. Not possible. Angle C equal to how much? Not possible. So this is the math, student. So do it. Express with your own, use your intelligence and you can get the answer. Each angle equal to 60 degree. Each angle equal to 60 degree. It is possible because if these three sides equal, this three angle also equal. 60, this one 60, this one 60. So A, B, C you can get three equal angle. So sum is come A plus B plus C come 60 into 3 degree equal to 180 degree. So it is possible. So thank you, student. Next day I will meet with you with new problems. Thank you.